I'm going to show you how to adjust the temperature of your mixer shower. You can take your Phillips screwdriver and unscrew one of the screws that are in there. It's not very long, usually only about 15-20 millimeters in length. That little section will come out and it exposes this thermostatic spindle here. So what we need to do now is turn that, and we do that by placing this back on top of it, and we can adjust that now even further down to make it hotter. So now we replace this little sleeve over that position, slide our cover control back over that, tighten the screw all the way back up with the Phillips screwdriver, not too tight. Again, one last check that you can still operate it okay, and then press your side cap back into position. For more videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel.